We'll run through some total participation techniques to help your students analyze and categorize things that they've learned in your classroom. Again, we're going to provide you with a resource to increase class participation, mathematical discourse among students, and improve learning through socialization. Let's review a little bit about TPTs and what we've learned so far. So far, we've seen that TPTs can act as formative assessment, and consistent formative assessment lets us know how to get our students from point A to point B in the classroom. Formative assessment lets us know if we're challenging our students too little or too much. Let's take a look at some TPTs to help students categorize and analyze. There are two ways to have students categorize. The teacher could create a list of topics and the students categorize the topics. So, for example, math vocabulary related to topics or types of problems. Also, at the end of the unit, students can list, group, and label topics themselves, and this will give students the opportunity to brainstorm with their peers and be creative. For concept analysis, teachers can use anticipatory guides. You can have students hold up those true and false cards that they may already have, or ask them to justify their rationale for each statement. This also helps students get their minds thinking about the topic at hand. Take a look at this example of a mathematics anticipatory guide. Notice it has before and after on each side, so you can see if the student's mind shifted after your lesson. Picture notes. Students can take notes by drawing pictures that illustrate the concepts and share them with a partner and discuss them. This would be great for geometry units. A to Z sentence summaries. This is just simply having your students write A to Z on their paper and write a word or phrase beginning with that letter that wraps up the lesson or unit. It's a great way to share ideas with each other and jog the memories of your students. So the bottom line is TPTs requiring students to categorize and analyze can allow a teacher to formatively assess students' higher order thinkings. All of these TPTs that we've covered in our videos this year can be adapted for use in your classroom based on your students' needs. Think of something you have upcoming. How can you implement this in your classroom? What TPT will you try next? If you have any questions, we're here in the math department to help you.